Welcome everyone to our weekly video commentary for the week starting for 20th April 2020 to 1 May 2020. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic is still on the air and there is no solid movement in the market from last couple of weeks. We are experiencing some sort of false breakout and some sort of range overall. Therefore, we are expecting a solid movement this week as there are several important releases from most of the countries. So we'll start the weekly commentary with the Forex factory releases. As you can see, the week will kick in with the BOJ outlook report and monetary policy statement. As we know, the USD JPY pair is moving with very corrective from couple of weeks, and this BOJ outlook report and BOJ monetary statement policy might create some movement in the USD JPY and all JPY related pairs. Currently, we are expecting a strong JPY due to its safe haven nature, and the COVID-19 effect is not gone out from the market yet. Therefore, it's a solid reason to JPY to have some demand. The next, we will see the CB consumer confidence from USD front, and from AUD we will see CPI. As we can see, the CPI is expected to fall from 0.7% to 0.2, and we may see the AUD USD to fall in this news. On the next, there are other several releases like US advanced GDP quarterly, and that is expected to come to the negative zone for several period. And we will see FOMC statement and FOMC press conference, and all of these events would be the main focus of how central banks is reacting on COVID-19 pandemic. So we are expecting no change in the FOMC funds rate, but we're expecting a dovish tone on the news of COVID-19. And the Chinese manufacturing PMI is coming on the next, and it's expected to fall as usual, like the global economic slowdown. And the lastly, the on important releases, we will see the euro main refinancing rate and monetary policy statement. And like the Fed, we are not expecting some change from the euro, but we may see some dovish tone from ECB due to the COVID-19 effect. And the unemployment rate of USD that will come at the least, and that is expected to come down as the growth of COVID-19 is remaining on flat from last couple of days. At last, the Friday there will be an off day global and there is no important releases, and we may see the market to remain corrective except the ISM manufacturing PMI report that is expected to come down from 49.1 to 36.7. So let's start our first currency pair is as usual Euro USD. If we look at the price structure of Euro USD, the price is going through several uncertainty and recent price action. There is indecision for 2 or 3 days, and lately price managed to come down but didn't manage to stay below the 1.0783 support level with some bearish pressure. As a result, price broke above and get a daily close above it, and therefore we are currently expecting as usual a correction towards 1.0991. In this price structure, we will wait on the Monday and we will wait for some correction towards 1.0783, and for taking our trade we will look forward in hourly chart and see any bounce from the dynamic level of 20 EMA. So if we found such case, we will look for the buying entry and our target would be 1.0991. The alternative scenario is here, the market, the recent bearish pressure that may make the current bullish pressure false. If price managed to have a daily close below 1.0780, but the reason has very less possibility, as it is an important level and market is very volatile, and we know that in volatile market there is a high chance to continue the range. So next pair we will see is GBP USD. If we look at the daily chart on GBP/USD, the price broke below from 1.2450 with a strong bearish pressure as we expected, and currently price is going through some correction. And if we look at the price very closely from last couple of days, price is getting corrected but still under the recent bearish candle. The last 2 or 3 days price action is indicating price is getting some discount for sellers, and the price is getting resistance from dynamic level, so it has a higher possibility to move down with a target of 1.22 as long as the price is below 1.2450. So we are expecting some bearish pressure, and we may see the price to test the 1.2450 area again, and if we see any bullish rejection from this level, we will look forward to sell. Our next currency pair, as we can see, is USD Switch F. The USD Switch F price action is very volatile nowadays. Price is squeezing and not making any higher high and not making any lower low. As we can see, there is bearish pressure from this support level or recovered from the next day with a bullish candle, and that continued towards the next near-term support resistance level, and the price started to move down. As the price rejected this area, we are expecting the price to test the 1.0.9631 support level again for this week, as the EMF 100 SMA and 20 MA is coming together. It is indicating the price is going through some uncertainty, and the current structure bearish pressure might alter with bullish pressure, and if the price come with at 0.9631 and show some bearish rejection, we will look forward to buy. The next pair is USD JPY. If we look at the price structure of USD JPY, it looks like very nasty at this level, but the price is within the range of 108.33 and 106.97. As long as the price is below this level and price is below the dynamic level, there is a higher possibility that price will test the 106.97 level in this week. And if we find any daily close below 106.97, we will look forward to sell with a target. There's the possibility of long bearish pressure with a target of 102. As we know, the Bank of Japan is going to release its monetary policy and refinancing debt, and any positive news regarding COVID-19 or a hawkish tone might create bearish pressure in this pressure, and a daily close below 106.97 would create a long bearish possibility in this pair. The next currency pair is quite seems like potential in Euro GBP. If you look at the price structure, the bullish pressure at this level has been recovered by the bearish pressure, but the bears didn't manage to recover at all, as the bullish price action was started from this level. So the price broke below the 8742 support level, and that becomes resistance at here, but the price failed to sustain below this level and broke above the level again. So price is currently retesting this level again, and a daily close happened already above the level, and we will wait for some correction to take our buy entry. In that case, our primary target would be 0.9021. So our next currency pair is Euro JPY. If we look at the Euro JPY, that is very volatile at this zone, and price is barely making new lower low at 115 level. So the last day's price action shows the price is likely to move higher, and this bullish daily close may indicate that price will test at least 119 level at this week. So in that case, we will wait for some correction and we will look for the intraday chart, and any correction and rejection from 20 EMA will create bullish opportunity with a target of 119. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website www.theforexsector.com.